Finance practice exercises number 34. Kinder wants to be able to make withdrawals of $60,000 per year for 30 years after retiring in 35 years. Okay, looks like we have two separate situations here. How much will she have to save up each year until retirement if her account earns 7% interest? Okay, so we need to figure out how much we would need to save up for to be able to withdraw that $60,000 a year. So I put all of the quantities into the appropriate variables, and I put that into our payout annuity formula, and we end up with $744,542.47. Now this is going to be now our final future value in our savings annuity formula. Okay, so we're looking at how much we need to deposit every year, and our account is still earning 7%. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this information in our savings annuity formula. Okay, so now I'm going to figure out what this is, and then I'm going to take this amount here, divide by what I got here, and my yearly deposits need to be $5,385.99.